TK, you gotta make some magic happen, please. We have at least 10, maybe 12 fans now, all over the world. The KFF Nation is getting pretty serious, and we're gonna step our game up here and invest a little heavier into the production of this thing. Okay, I know you can't make magic happen. Maybe we throw some lipstick on this pig too, honey. Pretty, very. You recording? Are you live? How long have you been recording for? It's kind of embarrassing. TK, get the hell out of here. Okay, go. You saw nothing. Key Feature Friday. Let's go. Let's go. I'm sorry. We're trying to step up the production capabilities here on a very shoestring budget. So this week, cmbuilder.io, very excited to show something that our dev team has been working on for quite some time. Basically, I'll paint the picture here. So this side is our testing environment using the model and scenario that we use at our event this Wednesday. So it's a very heavy set of models and a very complicated sequence using resources model inside CM Builder, parametric resources and sequence done in CM Builder. So you have imported files, and then you have the product information files coming from CM Builder. So this is the testing side. This is the actual production side as of today. So what we're gonna do is a Coke versus Pepsi like thing. Please don't sue me, please don't play. Again, shoestring budget. So we're gonna actually do a head-to-head competition like we're at the racetrack to see which of these two will load faster. So I'm gonna press go. So again, this is app. So this is what is in live today, and over here is what we have in our, what we call chunking inside our test environment. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. So I've refreshed both pages. And so what's happening right now is, because we have a fully web-based product that allows you to import miles created from other sources, and then also import files created from other sources, but then also, of course, create new information, new data, new parametric modeling and simulation inside CM Builder. We have a very complicated way to load that data so it's optimized for the web viewer. And what we're doing here is we're basically pulling out all the stuff we don't need inside the model, right down to the absolute file type that's fully optimized to run in your browser and has only the things we need for CM Builder. And so what we're doing is we're essentially deconstructing everything, putting it back together in chunks, and then boom, it's live. So you can see this one went live. So chunking has now fully loaded everything. So it's all about load time optimization for ease of use for our customer. As you can see over here in our app environment, again, super heavy model, so let's not be too hard on this, but it's still loading. Now, another thing that's really exciting is as I click through some of these scenarios here, every time you actually adjust and filter the model and go through the scenarios, it's just a little faster. It's just a little faster. Every time you click through it, every time you're gonna move the camera angle and show like a markup, it's just faster. It's just faster every single time. So ultimately, from a user experience perspective, you're getting highly complex, highly heavy models, chunked, broken down, optimized for the web viewer, and then you can add new parametric information, model new information directly in your browser, and it's gonna make your life much, much faster. As you can see here, I don't wanna hate on the current one, but you can show just how much better, more than 10x improvement. So as you can see over here inside our current app environment, it's still loading. Okay, on a Wi-Fi, where I'm just using Wi-Fi in the office here. And then you can see, as you can see there. So from excavation, loading files, modeling new cranes and information, then filtering the data much quicker. You can see the new chunking, which should go live hopefully a week from today, will dramatically improve the user experience inside our product. Okay, this is something we're very excited about, and one of the big core parts of our engine is to be able to optimize this for any device used by high-tech people, low-tech people, and for any file format coming in, so OpenBIM file format. As you can see, still loading over here. It takes about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to load versus I think 15 seconds or so. You might have to turn on the timer to check there, but there you go. Chunking, as we call it, that's our code name for it, and making things a lot better, right? Key Feature Friday.